Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am your Kirti teacher and I am today here to teach you our third lesson from 4th English. Okay, what is your third lesson name? See, look at the board and tell me. Yes, what is a tree? What is your lesson name? What is a tree? Okay, now open the page number 32. Look into it, okay? Yes, come on. Okay, children, did you open 32 page number? Yes, chalo. Now, what is our lesson name? What is a tree? Okay, it is a question, right? We have question mark here, so it is a question. Someone is asking, what is a tree? Okay, come on. Now, we'll know what is a tree. You already know what is a tree, but we'll talk about it now, okay? Look at the picture and answer the questions given below. See, look here. Before that, tell me what is a tree? Yes, we all know tree, it is a wooden structure which has a single stem or trunk, right? Which grows in different heights. Yes or no? Yes. One tree is less in its height and the other one is high in its height. Yes or no? Yes. Come on, now look at this picture and tell me, what can you see here? Yeah, see, we have a group of boys around the tree, right? They are holding their hands. Oh, what they are doing? We'll see. Here we have one boy and a girl, and what they are doing? Yes, they are planting a tree. Planting a tree is a good habit, right? And these boy is, yes, watering the tree. Planting and watering are very good habits. You have to plant and water the trees daily, okay? I mean, you have to plant the tree and you have to water it daily, okay? Okay, now see, what are the children doing in the picture? We already know they are. Okay, then why do you think children form the human chain around the tree? Why do you think these children are forming a chain around the tree? Because I think they all are playing a game, right? You two play under a tree, right? Yes. When I was a child, I too played so much around, under this tree. Okay, they are playing a game, right? Yes. How are trees useful to us? Tell me. How does a tree useful to us? See, it is useful for us in many ways, right? How its wooden trunk is used to fire the. Its wooden trunk is used to make fire, right? Yes, and its fruits, we can eat the fruits. It comes in food, right? And what are the other uses of a tree? Come on, think and tell me. And yes, the wood comes from the tree is used for the furniture, right? To make furniture. Okay, now, and it is useful in other ways also. So now, open the appendix 1. Okay, page number 113. Here we have what is a tree, unit 3. Okay, now see, keep your finger on it. Okay, teacher Sujata entered the class. Okay, there is a class and the teacher of the class is who? Sujata. What is the name of the teacher? Sujata teacher. Okay, we also have one Sujata teacher, right? But here in this story also there is a teacher named Sujata teacher. Okay, she has some drawings in her hand. All the children smiled and greeted her. Good morning, teacher. The teacher smiled back and said, good morning, children. Sit down, please. What happens when a teacher enters into your class? You wish her, right? Yes or no? Yes, they are also wishing a teacher, and in return teacher is also wishing them back, and she said all the children to sit down. Yes. What does teacher have? Teacher has some drawings in her hand. Okay. Ammu got up and asked, "What did you bring for us today?" Sujata teacher smiled and went near the blackboard. Okay, what Ammu is a girl from this class. What she is asking? She is asking the teacher, "Teacher, what did you bring for us today?" Then Sujata teacher smiled and went near the blackboard. She took out a drawing and stuck it on the board. She brought some drawings, right? So she took out one drawing and then she stuck it on the board. Okay, she attached it to the board. It's like a stem of a tree, said the children. Stem, we all know the stem of a tree. It is a drawing of a stem of a tree. Then she stuck some more drawings on the stem. Those are like branches, said Sita. Next, she took some other drawings which are like branches. Then Sujata teacher stuck a lot of small leaves on the branches. Okay, first stem, then branches, then now she stuck what? Leaves. Those are leaves, said the children. This is a tree, said Sita. Okay, these all are the parts of a tree, right? So it is a tree. The teacher smiled. Good. Now tell me, what is a tree? Okay. She brought some few drawings. First is stem. She stuck stem on the board, and then branches, and then leaves, and then it looked like a tree. Yes or no? So now teacher smiled at them, and the teacher is asking, what is a tree? Now I am asking you, what is a tree? Come on, we will go into that lesson. Okay, open the page number 32. Come to 32 again. Open quickly. Yes, now here, see the first question here. You listen me, right, till now? Now see, what did the teacher bring with her? What teacher brought with her? I mean, what is the name of the teacher? Yes, Sujata teacher, right? What did she bring with her? She brought some drawings. Yes. What did the teacher do with the drawings? What did the teacher do? She took the drawings and stuck on the board, right? Yes. What are the different parts of a tree? Tell me different parts of a tree. You all know the parts of a tree, right? Okay, tell me now. Yes, roots, stem, yes, branches, leaves. Yes, very good. Now what is a tree? Okay. Now look here. What is a tree? Here we can see a tree and a girl. She is writing something on her book, right? In her book, right? Yes, there is a squirrel here. What is squirrel? You know, it is a small animal. It is also used like a pet animal, right? Udta, ouch. Yes or no? Yes. Come on, now look. Put your finger on each and every line, okay? Now, you know Ammu? You know Ammu? Who is Ammu? Don't you? You don't know, right? Okay. Then, she's in class 4 now. Okay, Ammu is a girl who is in which class? Yes, 4th class, like you. Okay. One day she is writing in a notebook. Do you remember Ammu's friend Bittu the squirrel? He came running to Ammu. Okay, here Ammu is a girl from which class? 4th class. One day she is writing something in her notebook. Then Ammu's friend Bittu, the squirrel. Okay, the squirrel's name is what? Bittu. Bittu is who? Friend of Ammu. Yes, one day she's writing something in a notebook. Then a Bittu, the squirrel, he came running to Ammu. He came running to whom? Ammu. Yes, Bittu. Now see, this is Bittu. Here we have Bittu in bold letters, right? In the sense, Bittu is saying something. Here Ammu means Ammu is saying. Okay. Now Bittu is saying, what are you writing, Ammu? Bittu, Ammu's friend, came near her and he's asking, what are you doing, Ammu? Ammu, my teacher told to write about what is a tree. Okay, we all give you homeworks, right? Yes, after going to your home, if you sit in your home and you start writing homework. In the same way, Ammu is also writing something. So her friend Bittu came to her and he asked, what are you doing? Then Ammu is replying that my teacher told me to write about what? Yes, about tree. Bittu, for me a tree is a friend. Okay, now Bittu is saying that for me the tree is my friend. Why do you think the Bittu's friend is, I mean, tree is the Bittu's friend? Because squirrel's place is tree, right? Means it lives on tree. Yes or no? Shelter of squirrel is, it is on the tree. So it is, squirrel is saying that tree is my friend. Yes, and it gets food from the tree itself. Yes or no? Some nuts and all it eats. Yes. So Ammu, this is good. This is good idea. Let's go and ask others. Now Ammu is saying that yes, it is a good idea. Let's go near some people and we'll ask about tree. Now by this, Ammu and Bittu set out to ask others what is tree. They meet a farmer on the way. Now what Ammu and Bittu thought, that they both thought to set outside and to ask others about what is a tree. Then while going, they met whom? A farmer. Who is a farmer? A person who owns a farm. Ante farmer ante evaru? Raitu. Okay, here most of our parents are farmers, right? Yes. So they met a farmer on the way. See, he is a farmer. Here it is Bittu and she is Ammu. Yes. Ammu, Mama, what is a tree? Ammu is asking him, Mama, what is a tree? Mama in the sense, uncle, what is a tree? Now farmer is replying, it is a plow to make my field ready. Oh, see here, tree, the use of a tree is what it is. He is saying that it is a plow. Plow means it is a tool which is used to turn up the soil before sowing seeds. Okay, what is plow here? Plow is nothing but it is a tool. It is an instrument which is used to turn up the soil. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇది నాగలి కదా, ఇది see this is నాగలి, right? Agriculture, in agriculture farmers use it to టర్న్ అప్ ది సాయిల్. అంటే దవ్వుతారు అనమాట. దవ్వనికి ఏం యూజ్ అవుతుంది? ప్లా. ఈ ప్లా దేంతో చేస్తాం? వి డూ ఇట్ విత్ ట్రీ. ఎస్. సో when Ammu asked the question to farmer, what farmer replied? It is a plow to make my field ready. Yes. Now what is tree? Yes, it is a plow. Means that stem and the trunk is used to make plow. Yes. Okay, now we got one usage of a tree. What is that? It makes plow. It's or no? I mean, plow is made up of trees, right? Then here again they keep going. They meet a fisherman. First they met a farmer, right? Then they were going. Then they saw one fisherman. Fisherman means, who is fisherman? The one who catches the fish. Yes or no? Yes. Ammu, Kaka, what is a tree? Now Ammu is asking, Kaka, Babai, what is a tree? Now fisherman is replying, it is a boat to carry me across water. Okay, now here a boat is made up of what? Tree. Yes, boat is made up of tree. It means the wood is taken from a tree. So fisherman is replying that it is my boat, tree is my boat to carry me across waters. Where a boat is used? In waters, right? Yes, to go from one place to one place to the other place, we use water, we use boat in the water, right? Yes. First they met farmer, then fisherman. Now see, next Ammu and Bittu meet a homemaker. Who is a homemaker? Here she is a homemaker. Homemaker means a wife who does work at home. అంటే మన మమ్మీ వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారు? ఇంట్లో ఉండి వర్క్ చేస్తారు కదా. సో what they are called homemakers. Okay. They met a homemaker. She has a bundle of sticks on her head. See here we have bundle of sticks, right? Bundle means 10 sticks together is known as a bundle. Okay, bundle of sticks. Ammu is asking her, Pinni, what is a tree? She asked the same question to this homemaker also. What she is asking, Pinni, what is a tree? Now homemaker, she is replying, it is firewood to cook meals for my family. Okay, what she's saying, firewood. What is firewood? The wood used to make fire, means these sticks comes from where? From the tree. Again, see here, the useful of it is, tree is useful in this way also. So what she is saying, tree is my firewood to cook meals for my family. Yes or no? Kattal poi paina cook, we do, right? We cook, right? So what she's saying, the tree is my firewood to cook meals. నాకు వండనీకి నాకు కట్టెలు అన్నమాట అది. Okay? Who cooks the food in your family? Mom, right? Yes, she's a homemaker, right? Okay, then first we saw tree is useful to make plot. Next we saw tree is useful to make boat. Here, tree is useful to make fire, right? Yes. Next, Ammu and Bittu keep going. Now they meet a traveler. Okay, first they met farmer, then they met fisherman, then they met homemaker, and then they met a traveler. Traveler means the one who goes from one place to another place. Traveler. Okay, now Ammu is asking, Tata, what is a tree? Now she see Ammu and Bittu. But Ammu is asking, Tata, what is a tree? Now traveler, it is shade. It is like umbrella to me. Okay, now what Tata is saying? It is shade. Tata sat under the tree, right? Yes, if there is no tree, then there is no shade. So what Tata is saying? It is shade. Now he is a traveler. He goes from one place to another place. When he is tired, he sits under a tree, right? In the shade. So what he's saying, the tree is my shade. It is like my umbrella. What is umbrella? What is umbrella? Gudugu. Chatri. We use umbrella when it's rain, right? Yes. And some use it in sun also. If they all go out, they take their umbrella with them. So what this Tata is saying, it is my shade, it is like my umbrella. Okay, then after walking a few steps, Ammu and Bittu see children playing under trees. Okay, again they're going to see some other people to ask about what? About tree. So while they're going, in their midway, they saw children playing under trees. See here, they are playing under some trees, right? Bittu is saying, Ammu, look, your friends are playing there. Now what Bittu is saying to Ammu, look there, your friends are playing there. If you go from one place to another in your village, if you see your friends, you'll be very happy and you go near them to play, right? In the same way, now all our friends come running. Ammu smiles at them. All their friends come running to whom? Ammu. Ammu is smiling at them. So no, if you meet your friends in your village, you smile at them, right? Yes, you greet, hi, hello and all. Yes, Ammu. Friends, what is a tree? Now Ammu is asking whom? Friends. Yes, now Ammu is saying, friends, what is a tree? Friends. It is a place for us to play. Okay. Now tree is also useful in this way also. Which way we can play under it? Yes or no? See, they are playing. Do you play under tree? Yes, I played a lot under tree when I was a kid. I don't play now. Yes. It is a place for us to play. They are answering that it is a place for us to play. Then a mango falls down. It is a mango tree. Then a mango falls from it. All the children look up. There are some birds and monkeys on the tree. When mango falls, all the children look up. Then they saw a monkey. See here we have monkey, parrots also, 2 parrots. Okay. So they saw monkey on the tree. Ammu, what is tree dear? Ammu is asking monkey that. What is tree dear? It is asking both monkey and parrot. So parrot is replying, it is a place for me to live. It is my food to eat. Where does parrot live? It lives on the trees, right? So monkeys also live on the tree. Yes or no? Parrots and monkeys live on the tree. Every animal, not every animal. like squirrel, monkey, they live on the tree. It is their house. So what parrot is answering, it is a place for me to live, it is my living place. And the food to eat, it is my food to eat. The it eats, a parrot eats the food which comes from the tree, in the sense fruits, right? Tree gives us fruits, and that fruits are eaten by parrot. So what parrot is saying, it is my house to live and also my food to eat. Now monkey, same here dear. Monkey saying same, this is my home too, my living place too, and also it is my food to eat. By this what did you get? Okay, here we have one few lines. Okay, Amma and Bittu play with their friends for some time. Then they start walking back home. Okay, what they did? They played with their friends for some time, and then they went back to their home. Ammu, now I know what a tree is. Now what Ammu is saying, I know. Now I came to know what a tree is. Bittu is replying, it is everything for us. What Bittu is saying, yes, tree is everything to us. What is everything to us? Tree is everything to us. It is a home, it is a food, everything, right? It is a food, animals food, parrots and monkeys, right? Yes. Then Ammu, it is our life. Now what Ammu is saying that it is our life. Without tree there is no life. Why? See now how many uses we saw. We saw so many uses of tree, right? First to use what? See here Ammu met farmer, right? Here what farmer said, it is my field. Here the plow which he uses it to sow the soil, it comes from tree. Then here the boat comes from tree. Yes or no? Yes. Here then the homemaker, what she said, it is firewood to cook. It is useful. Tree is useful to cook. Then it is shade. Tree is shade. When traveler said to Ammu, right, tree is shade and it is like umbrella to him. And then what their friend said, it is the place to play. Yes, under the shade they play, right? If there is no tree, if there is no shade, we won't play under it, right? Yes. And what monkey and parrot said, they said tree is their living place and also the food to eat. Then overall, what is a tree? What is a tree? Tree is everything for us and it is our life. Yes, what are the uses of trees? Now we can tell. It is used to make plow, it is used to make boat. Yes or no? It is used as a firewood to cook the meals. It is used as it is a shade. We can sit under it and we can relax for some time, and it is useful for the children to play under it. And what more else? The food is eaten by the animals or birds. It is used as a food. It is the food also, right? Then what more? What are the uses of a tree? More. The leaves are also used as what? Medicines. Yes or no? Fruits are also, we eat fruits from that. Yes, everything, each and every part of the tree is useful and it is everything for us and it is our life. By this we end our lesson. I think you understood what I said, right? Yes, you read the lesson, okay? You read the lesson. If you don't understand any word or anything, you ask your cousins or your parents, okay? Yes, here we have glossary. See, homemaker. Homemaker means who? A wife who does work at home. Means our mothers. Okay. My mom is a homemaker. You have to tell, if someone asks you what your mom does, you have to tell my mom is a homemaker. Right. Firewood. Firewood means wood used to make fire. See these sticks. Okay, this wood which is used to make what? Fire. Okay, by this lesson we got some idea about tree, right? What are the uses of a tree? We got the uses of a tree. how it is useful, in which ways it is useful. So we should not cut the trees, okay? We should plant more trees. You should not cut any tree, okay? See how they are doing. In the same way, you have to plant trees and you have to water it daily, okay? Okay, by this we finished our third lesson.